Let me show you how to find your comment history on Instagram. Let me show you how to find your comment history on Instagram. Whether you want to delete old comments or just revisit something you wrote, you can view all of them in one place. Start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. If you recently left a comment on a post, you can always go back to that post. But if you can't remember where the post is, there is an easier way. Go to your profile, then open your settings. From there, tap your activity. This section shows your likes, comments, reposts, and more. Select comments, and you will see your entire comments history stored from newest to oldest. You can also switch the sort order to oldest to newest if you want to find older comments. Tap any comment to open the original post. From there, press and hold the comment to reply, like it, add it to your story, or delete it even if it's years old.